so lovely to work with. He has this extraordinary kind of intensity in his character, but he also has a charm and a kind of playfulness.
He goes out of his way to make sure everyone feels comfortable.
Speaking, you could have heard a
Pin drop. Wow.
There was this aura in the room. It was incredible.
Very fun. Very fun between takes. Really friendly.
As the fans are delighted to learn about the release date of Fantastic Beasts 3: The Secrets of Dumbledore, many fans are also demanding the makers to bring back Johnny Depp after the latter was recently removed from the film. Not right. Jude Law breaks silence on Johnny Depp not being in Fantastic Beasts 3. The fans have been flooding the internet by slamming the makers of removing the actor from the film and demanding them to bring him back. Some fans have also been stating that they will not be watching the film if Johnny Depp wasn't a part of it. It all began when Johnny Depp was referred to as wife-beater by The Sun, after ex-wife Amber Heard accused him of domestic violence. Depp called Amber's claims of domestic violence a choreographed hoax and even applied for permission to appeal the verdict and introduce new evidence to weaken Amber's credibility. As Warner Brothers did not want to taint their image as well as of the film, they decided to remove the actor from the film and later from the franchise as a whole. While Warner Brothers continued to be silent on the issue, the actor Dan Fogler explained the reason behind Johnny Depp's exit from the film. In an Instagram post, the actor opened up about the controversy and stated, "What's best for Johnny and what's best for the film may not be equal. The right decision may not be what's fair. It's not simple. I love Johnny and want him to be the best he can be. I selfishly want him at his best. If I ever get to work with him again, it's not my decision. If it was, I'd bend over backwards to shoot around him and hope production doesn't come to a screeching halt amidst lockdown rules, which are already precarious, and pray that we get a decent performance amidst all the stress. That's a huge gamble some are not willing to take with so much on the line, guilty or innocent, and add on no guarantees, and the film needs to be a hit. There's too many moving parts and a decision will garner losses. Damned if you do. It's messy." The third film of Fantastic Beasts series has got a new title, The Secrets of Dumbledore. Warner Brothers on Wednesday announced the release date of the film, but it seems fans of Johnny Depp are not too impressed by the announcement. It is well known that Depp played the role of Gellert Grindelwald, the main antagonist of the prequel series Fantastic Beasts. However, he lost the role after he lost the libel case against UK newspaper The Sun, which had called him a wife-beater. Warner Brothers removed the actor and was replaced by Mads Mikkelsen in the last 3 movies. Following Warner Brothers' announcement of the third installment of the series, netizens on Twitter called for the boycott of Fantastic Beasts. The Secrets of Dumbledore as Johnny Depp was unceremoniously removed from the film. Shortly after Warner Brothers confirmed in early that Johnny Depp would be exiting his role as Grindelwald in the Fantastic Beasts franchise, news broke the actor would still be getting paid his full 8-figure salary. THR reported that Depp had a pay-or-play contract, which requires that he be fully compensated whether or not the film is made, and even if it is recast. Now, in an in-depth THR expose on Depp reveals the actor's salary for Fantastic Beasts 3 comes in at a reported $16 million. Depp only shot one scene as Grindelwald before exiting Fantastic Beasts 3, where he will be replaced by Mads Mikkelsen. Warner Brothers requested Depp leave the Fantastic Beasts franchise after the actor lost his highly publicized UK libel trial. The judge in the case ruled in favor of UK publication The Sun, which referred to Depp as a wife-beater in a story about his marriage to ex-wife Amber Heard. The THR expose also reveals Depp's destructive set behavior over the years. Most shockingly, an incident on the set of Disney's Pirates of the Caribbean, Dead Men No Tales, in Australia, where the actor swallowed 8 ecstasy pills at once and embarked on a campaign of terror aimed at Heard. Depp's behavior culminated in the tip of his finger being sliced off, which resulted in his being flown back to Los Angeles for surgery. Pirates was forced to shut down production for 2 weeks, costing the studio some $350,000 a day. Depp claimed that Heard threw a bottle of alcohol at him, injuring his finger. Pirates of the Caribbean producer Jerry Bruckheimer tried to suggest at the time that Depp's finger injury was because he got it caught in a car door. According to THR, Bruckheimer was hoping to at least bring Captain Jack Sparrow character back briefly in the next outing, which is now in development and set to star Margot Robbie, but Disney balked at the idea. Mads Mikkelsen has broken his silence on replacing Johnny Depp as Grindelwald in the third Fantastic Beasts movie, which is now back in production in the United Kingdom. Depp appeared as the villain in the first two Fantastic Beasts films, but exited the franchise last month after losing his libel lawsuit against UK publication The Sun, which alleged Depp was abusive towards ex-wife and actress Amber Heard. Warner Brothers confirmed November 25 that Mikkelsen would be the franchise's new Grindelwald. "Well, it is going to be me, so that's a difference," Mikkelsen told Entertainment Weekly about replacing Depp. "Now, this is the tricky part. We're still working it out. There has to be a bridge between what Johnny did and what I'm going to do. And at the same time, I also have to make it my own. But also we have to find a few links to the previous version of the character, and some bridges so it doesn't completely detach from what he's already masterfully achieved." Warner Brothers announced an expected release date of summer 2022 for Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them #3. The previous release date had been November 12, 2021, after losing a libel lawsuit in the UK. Depp conceded to requests from Warner Brothers to resign from the picture. The role of Gellert Grindelwald has not yet been recast. It is rumored that Danish actor Mads Mikkelsen, Caecilius in Doctor Strange, Galen Erso in Rogue One, A Star Wars Story, Tristan in King Arthur, is in negotiations to replace Depp as Grindelwald. Johnny Depp has long faced rumors that his abused ex-wife actress Amber Heard, Mira in Aquaman. Variety reported that Depp lost a libel case in the UK when Judge Andrew Nicol ruled that he found the defendants had proved that what they'd printed was substantially true, a finding that gives significant cover for other UK journalists to characterize Depp in comparable fashion. Depp has complained that the ruling is unjust and he intends to appeal it. It was suggested Colin Farrell, who played Percival Graves, director of magical security for Makusa Percival Graves in the first Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them movie, play Grindelwald. However, he is currently playing the Penguin in the Robert Pattinson film The Batman. MovieWeb pointed out it would be next to impossible for Farrell to play both villains in both movies.